Hey guys, Hippie here with a new video, and today I'm going to be reviewing or showing you guys how to put together a Michael Myers costume. So, this is not like a super accurate, but like accurate to the point where like you could see Michael Myers. Like, I'd say it's a medium to accuracy. So yeah. This costume most likely going to cost you more than $100. I'll go over the prices to all of these things. So yeah. Now, starting with the costume. The main things you need for this costume is, of course, Michael's mask. You could pick up this mask from Trick or Treat Studios, but you can't pick up this exact one. This one's repainted. There's many tutorials outside of this YouTube channel to show how to repaint a Michael mask. I painted it to be H1, and this was a H2 mask. So yeah. And I repainted the hair too. Maybe in the future I might make a video of how to repaint this. And that mask was around $70, or 60 plus 10 for shipping, or 69. And yeah, black shirt is a cheap black shirt. I'm just using my Pennywise shirt but flipped backwards. And yeah, so this is probably gonna cost you like $6 or something. And yeah, it is a red cap jumpsuit. I'm 5'5.5", and I chose size 38. Because you're on Amazon you're supposed to choose like 2 sizes smaller. This one fits me really well. This was $40 for size 38, but right now it's like kind of cheap, so it's around like $29. So $30. So you got 70 plus 5, which is 75, plus around 30. So that's around like 100 or 105. So yeah, I'm using these Red Wing black boots. In H1 they used the Vietnam jungle boots, but those are like $12, the cheapest I seen online. It's on eBay. These are pretty good. These work really well. These are like boots. I cut off the red things. This boot was like really red, but I colored everything red to black. The stitching right here was red and stuff. I'm gonna show you how to basically put on the make sure that this jumpsuit is either like forest green or bluish green, darkest bluish green, and make sure it doesn't have little flaps right here near the pockets. Once you got everything on, first thing you want to do is, this mask is kind of big on me, so put the mask a little bit tighter on the back. You want to make sure your neck is exposed like that. He has a mask, or his neck exposed like that. And then you don't want to close both buttons. You only want to press the first one, so the zip first. Once it goes down, it doesn't open up unless if you pull it. And then you want to make sure you pop your collar like that. And you got Michael Myers. Oh yeah, and make sure you comb the hair to look good. This mask kind of looks big on me. I might actually, I'm gonna show you how to comb the hair right now. So make sure your neck is exposed, this part out, and the collar popped up, and you could only see a little bit of the black shirt. So if you need to, you could put arm pads. I need that because I look really weak. Like, my arms are really small. So yeah, and I need a smaller mask. So I'm gonna show you how to do. Okay, so usually when you first get your Trick or Treat Studios mask to come, usually it's gonna be like all messy like this and stuff. Mine is kind of clumped together because I used spray paint to like make the hair. But so if you want, you could spray paint the hair. Make sure you don't get any on the latex, because spray paint degrades latex quicker. But so first you want to take out all the excess hair that is just gonna fall off anyways. That's what I did. That's why you could see the skin a lot more. But we're gonna comb it back so it doesn't matter. So first thing you need to do is make sure you need to comb the sides back for sure, like that. With spray paint on here, it makes it easier so the hair sticks back. So once you do that, you comb on the other side. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a subscriber. Some subscriber asked me to do a tutorial how to comb the hair. Yeah. Okay, so you want to make the hair like that first, okay? You could leave it like this because I think one point he had his hair up like that, but then you want to make sure there's like this bald point right here. Because in parts of the movie, he has his hair like that. I like to keep my hair clean, but some people have like strands of hair because in points of the movie, he had like little pieces of hair sticking out like that. So you just want to pick out like specific pieces of the hair to make it look messy like that. And I recommend if you're gonna get the deluxe Michael mask, put Velcro on the back right here. So yeah. So this is how you basically do the hair. You make sure you have this point as the tallest point. And yeah, that's how you do the hair. So shout out to CS5 for giving me this idea. He's streaming right now, but he's probably not going to be streaming when I post this. He's just basically streaming his and talking and stuff, chilling. You should subscribe to CS5. I'm trying to get him to 8,000. After he's probably going to pass 7,000 by the point I post this, so get him to 8,000 guys. Most of you guys are probably already subscribed, but one of you guys that aren't subscribed and like Jason, subscribe to him. And yeah, so he was the one that kind of gave me the idea because he started talking about Jason costumes and stuff, or tutorials and stuff, so I wanted to make this. And yeah, so see you guys in the next video.